I don't know if you can hear that, the frogs though are croaking away now, so that's another. What the heck was that? Interesting. Maybe one of our creatures, I just wasn't quick enough to see it. Anyway. We go down the creek here, it's all go now. So you can basically say that the season is underway, and I need to get down to doing some seed sorting soon, or at least start it probably at the end of this week, I think. That's quite good, the three-dimensional effect. I hope the camera's picking it up in stereo, but you notice all those other frogs stopped calling? Or I don't know if they were frogs, they may be another sort. Oh, there's another one over there, different sort. Anyway, I wonder if they will chirp up again once they come away from the creek. But yeah, interesting, that nice stereo effect.